All right, so the last notes that we're going to do today is converting non-repeating decimals to fractions. Converting non-repeating decimals to fractions. Okay? So this one's a little bit easier, right? All you are going to do is you are going to put the number, whatever it is, over the number 1. Then add the number of zeros. Then add the number of zeros. How about this? Add the same number of zeros as you have numbers. All right. And what I mean by this, if we do just a few examples, because this should be pretty self-explanatory, you've done it before. If I have the number 0.3, I would take this number and put it over 1 because I have one number. I guess it should be after the decimal. So it'd be over 10. Whereas if you had 0.46, I would take the number, put it over 1. I have 2 digits after the decimal, so I would have 2 zeros after it. Make sure that you simplify, right? Our last step is always going to be to simplify. So this, I can divide both of them by 2, which should give me 23 over 50. All right, let's do one more example. This is number 2. So number 3 would be 0. Again, this looks like it repeats, but it doesn't have the ... So it's different. So I'm going to write my number, write it over 1. I have 2 numbers after the decimal, so I put 2 zeros. Divide both by 2, and I get 11 over 50. All right, now we are going to take a step back. We're going to do all of those, but examples all together. So we're going to have to figure out which one's which.